Happy Friday to you, beautiful, wherever you are in the world. And today I'm going to start a brand new 7-day automation series where I'll be sharing a simple tip every single day in my Facebook Live on how you can automate your business, or at least bring it one step closer to that sweet spot of having an automated business or a semi-automated business that will save you at least a few hours every week, if not a couple of days, okay? So today we're gonna start with the basics, okay? Today is all about automation 101. I can't even talk, it's Friday, I need a drink, but I'm not drinking, so I'll just stick with my bubbly water. So in the automation 101, the first thing that you need to consider when you want to automate your business is to actually think about the repetitive tasks that you are doing in your business every single day. So what are the things that you're doing every single day that you should not be doing, because your genius should be spent on doing the work that brings you the money? Okay, so for example, for a lot of people, the email inbox and social media are some of the tasks that you can actually automate or outsource, okay? Because if you're doing that stuff yourself, you're wasting precious time, valuable time, away from the time that you could be spending working on your business in your genius zone, which is where the big money comes into your business, okay? So you want to start making a list of all the repetitive things that you do every single day. Just brain dump the whole lot. Set a timer for 10 minutes and just write it all down on a piece of paper. Don't use the computer, use a pencil or a pen and a piece of paper. Because when you write, there's a chemical process happening, and you actually dive deeper into your brain, into your subconscious, and you come up with more useful content. So do yourself a favor and use a real pen and a real notebook or a piece of paper, okay? So write a list of all the things you do every single day, and then start to look at ways you can automate some of these processes. So you don't have to keep doing the same thing every single day. You can actually make things easier on yourself and immediately save time, which is your most precious asset that you have in business. Now, one of the ways you can automate some of your email is to start compiling a frequently asked questions document. You can put that document into a Google Drive and have the link to it handy. So whenever people ask you a question that you get all the time, you can just refer them straight away to this frequently asked document. That alone will save you a ton of time, because you don't have to type the same kind of answers all the time. So whether they're emailing you, asking you these questions, or whether they're messengering you, or whether they're sending you a DM on Instagram, you have a document ready that you can build on over time, and you can just send people to this document, and it will save you the time to reply and typing the same answers over and over again. So do this now. Start with your list, compile a FAQ document, and that will already save you precious time over the space of the next few months in your business. Tomorrow I'll be back with the next tip. So come and check back, and let me know in the comments whether this is helpful to you, because I have so much stuff that I can share with you. And if I'm feeling the love, if you're showing me the love, then I want to share more, okay? It goes both ways. So for now, have a wonderful weekend. Wherever you are, enjoy yourself. Make sure you make time for time out and spoil yourself a little bit. And I'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye for now.